Hello, today I'm going to show you how to adjust the brightness of your Apple Watch. So, you want to go to the settings. By pressing the digital crown, we're going to be in an app menu and go to the settings. And now you want to swipe it down a little bit, scroll it down to find display and brightness. And now you can just click on this little things, icons to make it more dark or more bright. You can also click on it and use the digital crown to adjust it. And also you can choose the text size or to bold the text. And this is it. Thanks for watching. I hope it helped. If it did, please hit subscribe and hit a like. Bye!